is good and all the time. That's nature. Wow. And that wow. Somebody say that's nature. Wow. Things of God, you don't put love. No. And that is nature.
Wow. That is nature. Wow.
Only the senior 5. Only the senior 5. Let us listen from senior 5. Senior 5 Wama. The road is good and all the time. And that is nature. Wow. Indeed, we thank God from week 1. We have now entered week 9 when we are still healthy. Though challenges have been there along the way, but we keep on solving as we are moving forward. And we cannot stop challenges. Challenges determines opportunities. So when you are having challenges, out of the challenge you will be able to get an opportunity. Program and some observation for this week. Promotion. This one is a reminder that we shall consider scores, attendance, progressive performance previously. Those are going to be some of the conditions for the promotion of this year, crossing to another year. Who should advise you that in this evening let me go and hide and read? Who should advise you that this is a weekend, let me take use of this weekend? Otherwise, when you are having colleagues, and you might find in your group, you are the one who is not doing well. Others you find they have, in terms of performance, they are trying, and then you are moving with that group all the time, wasting time. You might not be in the group next year. We don't want to have challenges. You find you are coming with a parent pleading, yet you have been here for the whole 7 weeks, 10 weeks. Then you want to bring a parent in 1 week pleading when you have been advised accordingly. So it means, like the prefects have told you, in this week, try so that you don't move up and down. Concentrate on your work. For the day scorers, make sure your attendance is very clear. And I want to say, most especially senior 3s, if you find your attendance has not been okay and your performance is not okay, then we also check payments. Payments you always delay. Number 2, senior 1 to senior 3 and then senior 5, errors and mistakes that you maybe could have seen after the visitation when you received your scores and results. You must have forwarded them to your respective class teacher, if any. If there was some challenge, you should have forwarded. If it takes long for you to reach the class teacher, even when you come to the academics office, can be helped.